In this subject, your student will get more practice with the concepts underlying multiplication and division. These operations can be tricky for students, but they are crucial for almost all later subjects like fractions, algebra, and geometry. What's more, we encounter them almost every day. For example, at the store, we have to make comparisons like, this cereal costs twice as much as that one, but the box is 3 times bigger. A good understanding of multiplication and division allows you to find the best value for your money. Activities in this subject motivate the concepts behind multiplication and division by displaying elements in a grid, where each row has the same number of objects. This makes it easy for your student to visualize a product like 4 times 5 as 4 rows of 5 objects. It also makes properties like 4 times 5 equals 5 times 4 easier to see, since 4 rows of 5 objects is the same as 5 columns of 4 objects. Each question in this subject motivates your student to use a technique like skip counting, counting by 2s, 3s, or etc., to solve the problems quickly. We ask 3 different kinds of questions. The easiest questions simply have your student count the number of objects in a grid. Since the number of objects in each row is the same, they should realize that they can use the number of rows to more quickly find the total. Next, we ask them to construct these grids 1 row at a time. This further emphasizes the relationship between the number of rows and the total number of objects. The most challenging questions ask your student to count the number of objects in a grid, but with a time limit. There's not enough time for them to count the objects individually, so they will have to use a more advanced strategy, namely multiplication, to solve the problem. You can practice multiplication outside of the system with just a pair of dice. Simply roll the die and have your student calculate the product. You can make this exercise more visual by using a sheet of graph paper to help them. Each time they roll the die, draw a rectangle with the side lengths shown on the die. For example, if they rolled 3 and 6, you would draw a 3 by 6 rectangle. Like the problems in our system, this will help your student connect the product to its visual representation.
What if your child could learn a year of mathematics in 3 months? At Elephant Learning, we guarantee that they will do exactly that, or we will give you your money back. Over 100,000 students have gone through our proven process. On average, children learn over a year and a half of mathematics over the course of 10 weeks. The best part is these results came with just 30 minutes of screen time per week. Our award-winning Math Academy is based on puzzle games created by early-age education scientists. To the student, it feels like they're playing Angry Birds, but they are learning mathematics. Meanwhile, we help you measure your child's progress through their Elephant Age. The Elephant Age is the average age that a student outside of our system is learning the same mathematics as your child. As their Elephant Age grows, your child gains confidence while building intuition and understanding. All the while, our system is adapting to them, so they are learning at their own pace. Our proven process starts with parent and student onboarding, as we guide you and your student on getting started in our system. Next, your child will take our placement exam, which is designed to look like training games, so that they do not feel like they are taking a test. As your student plays, their Elephant Age is calculated live, and once the exam is completed, your student receives their starting Elephant Age. That way, they can always remember where they started and how much progress they've made. Behind the scenes, we send you a detailed report explaining the results and provide conversations you may have with your student to ensure their initial level is set correctly. Finally, the student moves into ongoing learning. Your child is presented puzzles that build upon each other as our advanced algorithms adapt to their level of understanding. This gives every student a fully individualized lesson plan. At the same time, the system monitors your student's progress, alerting you if they need any attention. Meanwhile, the wealth of knowledge at your fingertips on our dashboard is enough to make your teacher jealous. We provide parent training videos so that you understand exactly how we are teaching each topic and what activities you may do outside of our system should you wish to facilitate further learning. Along the way, we send coaching videos to you that cover topics like how to address math anxiety or techniques for helping your child overcome obstacles in any subject, not just mathematics. On top of all that, our academic advisors are available by phone, email, and chat 7 days per week to help you or your student overcome any challenge you may have within our system. It is like having a personal math concierge. Private schooling can cost thousands per month. Learning centers can charge as much as $250 per month. Tutors can charge as much as $100 hourly. The effort required for those resources far exceeds a time commitment of only 30 minutes per week. None of those options guarantee accelerated results. For just $55 a month, up to 7 students will learn at least 1 year of mathematics in 3 months. We cover from counting through algebra, and our interface adapts to students of all ages. We do all of this because our only mission is to empower children with mathematics.
I have a 5th grader at home. He's a smart kid, he just struggles in math. I've tried to help him with his homework and even tutors weren't enough. Then I heard about Elephant Learning, a math app that guaranteed my son's improvement. I liked the idea that it used math concepts, not memorization. And it didn't hurt to give it a try.
Within a month of using Elephant Learning, Caleb's math age was finally at his actual age, plus a few levels more. He's using the app 5 days a week and can't wait to log in first thing in the morning.
The app had so many games and puzzles, he often couldn't decide which one to play.
I love the app because I get reports that track his progress over time, so I can see where he needs the extra help. I'm so excited for Caleb to go back to school this year with more confidence. Thank you, Elephant Learning.
Thank you, Elephant Learning.
Thank you, Elephant Learning.
For $55 per month and just 30 minutes per week, all your children can gain confidence and understanding. For up to 7 students, you are getting our 1 year of math in 3 months guarantee, a placement exam that helps you determine exactly what your student understands, real-time feedback, reporting, and parent training, a curriculum that covers students at any level between counting and algebra, an interface that adapts to the age of your student. All while your student learns math playing proven activities using one of over 100 characters that they may choose from. So, if you'd like to have your child learn 1 year of math in 3 months guaranteed, go to elephantlearning.com or click on the link below.